Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've got your video and standalone audio in the project panel. Start now. Select corresponding camera clip and external audio in the timeline or project bin. Once selected, right-click and choose Merge Clips or use the Clip Merge Clips command. Set synchronization to audio so Premiere analyzes waveforms. Make sure sample rates match, otherwise resample in Interpreter. This step aligns peaks automatically, which saves manual nudging. Do this before any cuts to preserve sync across your edit. Once merged or synchronized, place merged clips into a sequence to verify alignment. If clips still drift, check frame rates and timecode. Mismatched frame rates cause slip over long clips. For multi-camera shoots, create a multi-camera sequence from the synced clips. Right-click and select Create Multi-Camera Source Sequence. Make sure sync point is set consistently. Also, enable sync lock on tracks you don't want to move, and listen with headphones to confirm lip and breath alignment before proceeding with cuts. To finish, unlink camera audio and swap in the merged external track. Keep camera audio muted as backup. Once done, render audio for smoother playback and relink if needed. If you notice sync drift after export, first confirm both files share the same sample rate and frame rate. Differences cause progressive misalignment. If auto sync fails, try syncing with a clap marker or timecode, then nudge audio by frames. One key troubleshooting tip. If clips drift over time, transcode to a constant frame rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.